So this guy, it just stopped in a car. Hey guys, good morning. So me and B will just wake up, go on the road real quick. Just do a little running. We go down the road to pick up something for his aunt. That's some chicken. I first me about some little chicken.
Where am I calling for you?
For auntie, I guess she'll raise them.
Oh, I must chicken. Make sure chicken now. Every McLean spell one way, you know.
How much chicken be?
You in there?
Guys, so me get some ackee. Me go up and me go fireplace. Not really far, but whatever. $300 a dozen. And when me did the year January, I get the ackee them $150. Me not understand how the heck food that increased like so drastically, but minimum wage and people paying that increase. I just see them look old. I don't know, what is it now? 7 grand a week, 8 grand a week, maybe 10. I don't know. Paying that increase, but food that increase. How the heck it government government set the food price? I don't know how it worked, but how people. What? Oh, 3 scarce? No, but still, penny for increase. All Jamaican people are gonna afford to eat. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. You got a supermarket, $10,000 can't even buy a good groceries for a week. It's crazy. Anyway, so I come on to tell you guys that, and then say we are come down and we are go around one corner, and one man just come out of nowhere. You know, obviously. Madman turn up in Alright, one little madman turn up in the road. So obviously, you know, when you see car, you gotta move. A man nah move. And just turn up. I'll be a blower. And just turn up and I look in them poke out. And you know, beep and I'm moving, just while I'm panicking. I say, be roll up your window, cause you know me not feel safe, you don't know what they expect to people that were head sick or whatever. Be not budge, be still a driving car, man still while I'm panic car, just a back up with him, I caught a little bit on Snapchat. I'ma save it and like put it on here, but it man just a while I'm panic car, I was be a driver and sitting there, boy. And people them were out and I feel like calling them before they come and come get to you. Gee, why not even you down? Why, you look like one big man, don't be.
What man?
Yeah, you mad, Jesus. And now with the point where we are going to be mother, we are gonna drop off it Aki gear so she can go and look boat. Well, she's at work now, but at that way she can have it if you go and look boat that. We only get 4 dozen. More about either 8 or 6 more dozen, you know, so yeah. Alright guys, so about 3 o'clock now, 2:30. It just be at hotel. I took like a little nap. I had little breakfast earlier. Oh guys, I'm just not in the mood today because I leave tomorrow. I mean, like, I knew this trip was short, but it's just like so bittersweet knowing that like today's like my final day. But I don't even count the day before I leave a day in Jamaica because I'm just running around doing stuff, you know what I mean? It's sad. My vibe's just all over the place. I really don't feel like doing anything or going anywhere. Like, I literally just wanted to like stay in the house, lay down and cuddle with B, you know. I don't know when I'm not gonna see him again, so yeah. I'm on my way to Lisbon now to go take my COVID test. My grandmother, she's been there since like 11 o'clock today. You know, she got her stuff together or whatever. I'm all over the place. Some more ackee. I want to go look breadfruit, get some season from my mom, and like some Magnum, and that's it. I'm not gonna stream for care of the snacks and just one bag of sitting or whatever. I don't need nothing. I'm gonna shop for nothing. I wanted just some ackee for myself. I want some saltfish melody too. That's it. That's how much? I put probably £5. £5. And saltfish, little season, and franks. That's what I want. And yeah. And then the most I'm gonna spend my money on is tomorrow. I'm bringing up KFC for my mom and like 2 friends, and then I guess my brother wants some patty. So yeah. And I'm gonna come to Jamaica. We need a patty, you know, but it's fine. You know that's it. Jump big on fight. So yeah.
Good afternoon, guys.
We're gonna tell them what's going on.
You tell them everything already.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell them everything already, but like, guys, don't even. Yo, let me tell you guys something.
The day just run fast.
Yes, it did. It's run fast. Yes. But like I was saying, when I was at home, like I was like, B, you know, when I come down, you gotta take up this camera, you're gonna vlog, and you gotta talk to everybody, right? Yeah, baby, yeah, man, I gotta take up this. Guys, I'm gonna take up a camera not one time, and I talk to them, nothing like that, you know? So I don't understand. I didn't say, yo, B, you know, I gotta get serious about this YouTube stuff and done. You know, why you get big and look, yeah. And me still a talk to him, and him just depending look up, hi guys, what's up? Hey, whatever. But it's all good. Like I said, this trip was short. I don't even know if you guys are gonna get like a good 2 to 3 vlogs because you guys won't even believe me. Since I came down here last week, I've been using the same battery. Usually my battery them die me off a change, but like this battery is like still full, even though I'm talking battery full. So you guys know what that means. Either I don't have like a lot of clips or whatever, but you know, I vlog what I could. I'll make a video of what I got, you know. So yeah, I'm up where Garland signal, and I'll check back a little later. So I just took my COVID test. And obviously everything's good or whatever. B was hoping I had COVID because he wanted me to stay a little bit longer, but even if I did have COVID, I would have told him, yo, maybe give you a little money. And I said, me not have COVID in the car. I can't be missing work, guys. Shoot, PTO and stuff. I gotta save those for rainy days. So what? No, but B, think about it. Oh, I think if we spend an extra week now and not come back, or go up and then come back by next time, which one better? Yeah?
Next time.
Exactly. So yeah, me and my guy is same place, the same guy who I went to, the guy, I went to the same doctor that I went to last time. And he was like, Mikayla, oh, you've been here before, right? I was like, yeah. He was like, yeah, like 2 months ago. I was like, yeah. See, my last name is it because I'm not hard to forget, you know. You know, easy to remember because I'm just unique, you know. The multi Browns and Thomas and Williams and Johnsons and probably something that ain't a know them, but like he remembered me, right, B?
Yeah, I don't remember man stuff.
It might remember me, Mikayla Hafizula. So yeah, we do that now. I mean, I gotta look some Magnum now. The guy is the most popular shop that we always get Magnum from, and then I know Magnum. I just doesn't want, I think so. I don't know. I have to go get that and then get some season, and then. Maybe I gotta go around and like where we go? Spanish Town? You know, go look like maybe 3-bedroom. I don't know. Or a couple. I saw Aki. So yeah. Yes, a V. What you say? Oh yeah, ask Granny.
Granny, what miss now for Kayla and Granny?
You don't know for Kayla. No 5 fingers have. Oh, this too wide?
How much finger you have?
No 5 me have.
Oh.
I get that 5.
So what missing from Kayla what you have?
What missing from me have? Okay. You don't see this too wide?
Okay, so if you go,
I see a question be asked Shakina.
If you go, Granny,
Yeah.
and then said, what's the difference between these two hands?
See how roll now, see?
Granny, what's the difference between these two hands, Granny?
Why different between
Yeah.
It's one different there?
Yeah, Granny.
Big
And my
difference.
action was different. What's missing on my hand?
But me not see nothing missing. Ask my days.
Granny, I Granny, what's missing, Granny?
Me not missing.
You think
Yeah,
you guys look
come
up
here.
it? You gotta ask him.
Come here. What's the difference between these two hands?
Dana black.
The black. No.
Yeah, go ahead again. Why different again?
Call a sister.
I was missing from this
What's
hand.
missing? Jesus God. Alright, why difference? 3 and a 0. Come. Why difference?
Guys,
Don't
I
have a ring.
oh. Say it again. What you say?
Don't have a ring.
I got different? You don't forget to say go to the
think that way. But for me, asking me should have pick up.
I mean, asked him first like 2 days ago, and he didn't know the answer.
Why you always know she have to put the phone for you?
I don't know. I just always guess and hope I'm in there.
Line up, yeah.
Yeah, I guess I'm just good like that.
No, you do it too often.
I do it too often. Alright guys, so I'm coming and me pack up my suitcases and stuff that I could pack up. All the fresh stuff are in the fridge. I said when we come in, B just take up my suitcase and I said come pack. Guys, I did not want to pack at all. I just wanted to lay down and like put it off, and he was like, no, better we do it now. So we do that, do what we gotta do, and then I just took a shower now, got on my night clothes, and yeah, I'm gonna sleep. It's like 10:30 now. I want to wake up 5 o'clock. We have a 12 o'clock flight. I'm up here, but you know, it's like 2 hours to get there from which part we're there. Plus, I have to buy some KFC for my mom. Some more, you know, KFC always full. So I want to get there in time. I make sure we have enough time to like check in and get ourselves sorted out or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna end this vlog here. Although today might run until tomorrow, but I just wanted to close this day out and just say good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Alright guys, good morning. We'll wake up, put on my clothes, did the last minute packing and stuff. I stopped at my mother-in-law's and grabbed the rest of my stuff, said bye to Samari, said bye to them, and now we are on our way to go to Mobile. We have to stop and get some gas first. It's a very sad day. I'm just like out of it. Everybody asks me, you alright, you're good? And I said no, because I'm leaving. So yeah. B, you can't talk look a load. I know you sad, but
One dude who say I know joke.
One dude.
She said one dude. Oh boy, I'm sad.
So you're going to have dog.
So we're on the highway and we just got pulled over by the Pelpos. And it's like what, 7:40 right now. I mean, I want to reach my baby by like 9 because we know a KFC line will go long. And my flight's at 12. You see you? So I guess we're doing 114 and 80 feet. With our bags, Jesus. With the salt. Or whatever. I said, Becky, I'm blind. You know, see she lead. It said squatty, come over, pull it out in front. So we'll see what's going on. Oh, then. Your police say about your hand what kind of sit they want. Yo, then Jamaica police there. I look up for them. I look, you know. Give me $1,500 and call it a damn day, I swear. How much I give me? Yeah? My business? Oh. So, me tell them. I don't want that one look fool. So B does get them $2,000. And now we're on our way back to my baby.
Everything in vlog.
Here is everything my vlog. Guys, any little thing I can get and show them the guy, that's what I'm going to do. Because that is... Oh, I can say T4B. Eh? Hello? If somebody woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning. Anyways, back on the highway now. So reach airport. I'll let you guys know everything that happened like before and whatever, but this is goodbye. Until next time, what do you want to say to the vlog and everybody?
Bye next time.
Anything else? It feels sad. Me too. But, so I'll be back soon, hopefully. So, yeah.